Today we will be discussing some of the recent news surrounding Palantir stock. Make sure to give us a like, and subscribe to the channel for more stock updates like today. Also, Webull is giving 2 free stocks, valued all the way up to $1,600, only after you deposit $100 on the platform. Use the link down in the description, to get your 2 free stocks, and now let's begin with our video. Palantir dropped more than 12% after Morgan Stanley downgraded the stock. The firm said Palantir is trading at a significant premium compared with its peers, with its stock more than doubling since it went public September 30th. Morgan analysts said, with Palantir up 155% since listing with very little change in the fundamental story, the risk-reward paradigm shifts decidedly negative for the shares. Palantir provides data analytics software and services to government agencies, including the Defense Department, the Food and Drug Administration and the intelligence community. It also sells to companies like aircraft manufacturer Airbus, and energy producer BP. The company last month reported its first earnings announcement since going public. The company said its new contracts in the third quarter included a $91 million deal with the Army, a $36 million contract with the National Institutes of Health, and a $300 million renewal with an aerospace customer. The Federal Aviation Administration signed an order that will lead to the eventual return of the Boeing 737 MAX to commercial service. Boeing suppliers and partner aerospace firms will see a long-term benefit in the quarters ahead. As their business rebounds, Palantir has a good chance of winning more business deals and growing its margins. The need to screen for the virus and to take action to prevent a mini outbreak from worsening is growing. The re-emergence of the pandemic this fall and winter in the US and Europe will lift Palantir's revenue. In July, the company ran an 8-week pilot with a customer to help them monitor a potential infection. By integrating this data in its platform, the customer could predict if a specific area would lead to an outbreak, or if it was driven by internal or external factors. The customer already spent hundreds of millions of dollars on its supply chain and ERP systems. Palantir platform helped it get a better view of its supply chain. Palantir's recent contract win with a top 5 pharmaceutical company would give shareholders indirect exposure to biotechnology. Chief Operating Officer Shyam Sarkar said, on the conference call that when the customer leverages Foundry, it may link and interrogate data across more than 2,000 clinical trials, including symptoms, diagnoses, and treatments, to unearth valuable findings. Investors are investing in a software company that helps, say, pharmaceutical accelerate its clinical trial efforts by unearthing valuable findings. Palantir has plenty of cash on hand to spend on research and development and to acquire smaller firms. For now, it is investing in the business. Already, the result in the third quarter was the closing of deals on new accounts. Palantir will continue investing in its direct sales force, which already demonstrated strong performance. It will out products, just as it did with Apollo, a power software as a service. This operating leverage will lift its top-line growth, and result in higher margins. I think that is just a small pullback in the stock and is a good buying opportunity for anyone waiting for a dip in the stock. Make sure to give us a like, and subscribe to the channel for more stock updates like today. Also, Webull is giving 2 free stocks, valued all the way up to $1,600, only after you deposit $100 on the platform. Use the link down in the description, to get your 2 free stocks, and we will see you in the next video.